We can't imagine modern instrumentation testing without using parallelization and mass test runners, but their setup can be a challenge, especially for inexperienced teams. In this video, we will compare the Marathon and Firebase Test Lab experience for a new user. Our goal is to compare the speed and complexity of the setup process for each of the mentioned tools. We have already prepared everything we need for this: created new accounts, generated APK files, registered our app at Firebase, and installed Package Manager, Brew, and Snap. Let's start. As we see, it took 2 minutes to set up and start testing using Firebase, and only 1 minute to set Marathon and start working. During Firebase Test Lab onboarding, you also will need to make some manipulations before you start testing, such as select an existing project at Firebase or create a new one. Enable billing. Connect your app to the selected project. After that, you need to manually init gcloud CLI and connect it to your Google SDK. On the contrary, Marathon setup is easy. All you need is to tap the repository and install CLI using the command provided in the manual. After that, you are ready to work. The basic Firebase terminal command is quite complex. In addition to the path to APKs, you need to specify the type of test and set the target device. In the basic command, sharding is not supported by default, so you need to use gcloud beta param and set the number of shards manually. Marathon cares about your time, so all you need is to provide a path to APKs and API key, leaving care about the test environment setup to our unique algorithm. Marathon is not only about simplifying the setup process, but also about the best out-of-the-box parallelization, automatic test retries, and test stability with minimum user efforts.